Hi everyone, I'm Mathieu from ShapeDiver. Today I will introduce the Computation Analytics feature, which is an old feature we have for all our users from designer and above. And that's a feature that allows you to list the entire set of computation and export requests that happen with your model. You can find it here in the Computations tab. This you can only see if you own the model, or if a model was shared with you, you can maybe have this permission because you can share the permission to see these computations. As you can see here, we have this date picker where I can select a date. I'm going to stay on today, but I can select another day, and also a time frame for which I want to see all of the computations that happen with the model. In the case of this model, I already triggered a few this morning. So here I can see the time and some data about how long it took on our servers, and also the size of the outputs, so the geometry outputs in the case of computations. And in the case of exports, I can see the size of the file that was exported, because here I have an export asset. I can also filter the computations by the ones who succeeded and the one who had an issue, for example, timeouts. So if a computation timeout, it will appear in red here. It's going to take how long it took on a solver, and then it's a useful tool for debugging. Two last things. On the one hand, you can see for each of these computations detailed information by clicking on this button. I will not go in details. This is a feature that we will keep improving on, but you can see a lot of statistics, including which components were used and how long it took to compute for each of these components. And the last button here is useful also to debug and learn more about the past computations and what happens. You can recall the set of parameters that is associated with each of these requests. In particular, when it comes to exports, if I load exports, I can reload the set of parameters and then export again the file that was exported here, so I can check what happened with this computation. As a final note, I can tell you that when you update parameters in the model, it typically takes up to a minute for the computation to be listed in the list here, and then it will be there forever for you to review in the future. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you want more tools, tips like this, you can subscribe to our channel. There's a lot of other videos about our features. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to go on our forum or check our website and help center for more information. Bye-bye. Thank you.